So when I did the research on what you said, I'm like, this nigga, he wasn't lying.
Right.
So that means you was in church as a kid, right?
I'm gonna say this. I won't say I was in church. I'll say that see, Jesus, he did church, but the church was never inside the church, right? I was in one of them kind of churches, right? I was never inside the church, but I was in the church, right?
So you was one of them door knockers, what they call them?
Nah, come on, stop playing on me. Nah, I want to joke. My grandma was a
see,
witch.
the whole thing-
My grandma raised me, she was a witch, but she wasn't only a witch, she was a preacher. But she was a prophet, but she had to disguise herself as a Christian preacher in order to get to church.